Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, grade 8. Welcome back to another lesson about algorithms through Scratch. Before I start the today's lesson, let me quickly revise what we finished in our last class. In the last class, if you remember, we created a program where we use couple of inputs and we put an operation on it by multiplying or average, and we get an output. Today we'll do the same. We'll use some inputs, we'll use some operations to get some output. But in operations today we'll use a different kind of operation which is called a condition, a sequence. That sequence or that condition is called what? It's called if or if else. If or if else means that if something happens, do this, or if this happen, do this. So we'll create an example on the book, page 89, example number 3, which asks us to create an algorithm for a student for an average grade. If their grade is above 50, he should pass, otherwise he should fail. So there is our operation, that if he pass, if his grade more than 50, pass, else fail. So let's create an algorithm for this example where we use an operation or operators called if else. So first thing first, let us put a start, then we make our variable for what? For marks, or you can write grade. Okay, I will choose grade. Then I'll choose an operator which matches my grade, that is this operator. So I don't need this if, I need this one because I'm putting two conditions. So to put two operators, I put two operators, that if the marks is equal or less than 50, only then I can say something. So to say, we need look. Make sure you choose the one for 2 seconds, because if we choose the other one, it will keep on saying forever. So let's create an algorithm where our input will be a grade, which is, for example, I'd say 50. Okay, I'd say if grade, let me duplicate because I needed two blocks, duplicate. If grade is 50 or less than 50, he should say fail, otherwise pass. Okay, now I'm putting two operators here. I can use another operator which will combine them. So I would use OR. So here now I say if my grade is less than or equal to 50, he will pass, he will fail, otherwise, let me make it 49 because 50 is okay. Here, there you go. Now if I click, 50 is pass. If I say 49, fail. If I say 90, pass. Okay, whatever value. Now if you put a random value here and say between 1 and 100. Okay, now every time I click any random value it will choose, it will calculate, it will do the function, and it will give me the output here. Remember, say is my output. Again it choose 86, which is pass, 95 pass, 64 is pass, 18 is fail. So you can see I'm giving random inputs, it is doing its operation, and it is giving us the output. Now your task is at home to create a 10 random numbers or 10 random students who will 10 students who will have random number, and the Scratch will display whether it pass or no. For a hint, I'll tell you that you can use a control that is repeat. So you can manage yourself, or you can think of yourself how you can use repeat to put all this algorithm in repeat and make 10 students with random marks and see do they pass or do they fail. So this is your task for today. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me on WhatsApp, and make sure to submit this lesson on the website. But before you submit, I want to explain something to you all, that when you save this file, okay, I will save this file to my computer, for example desktop. I'll save it, grade 8 lesson 2. Now when you save it and you want to send it, don't send as this file. I want you to do a small changing to this file so that when you send, I can easily download it. What you can do here, you can open my computer, okay, go to view, and in view you will see an option here. Just click on this option and you will see a window like this. In this window, go to the second view option and choose here this one, hide extension known for file. Uncheck, click OK. Now go to your file here, select, rename this file, and just after dot, leave the dot without space, make it DOC. Yes, I want to change. Now once it's changed to DOC, only then send me the file. Otherwise, if you send it as the previous one, before you send, make sure you go to view again, option, view, and check this. Okay, now you see this file. So when you are sending me your project or your lesson, please save it as this .doc file. Otherwise, the file, if you send directly the Scratch file, it will not open for me in the website, from the website. So don't forget to save this file, the Scratch file, as a DOC. I hope you understand, and please submit your homework before the next Thursday. Good luck, take care.